Every night I used to remove my makeup and skincare products with just a regular face cloth. And I found after even just one use, it would have that really gross smell and it just kind of gave me an icky feeling. So I came across these by Clean Skin Club. And these are the one-time use towels and they are so awesome because you are just using them that one time. You know that they are very clean and do not have any buildup on them. These are the XL towels. Let me just open this up so you can see how nice and big these are. And this is the 50 count. So really, really great and easy to use. What I do is I just like to get these wet and then I will wring it out. You, of course, can use makeup remover, whatever products you're putting on your face. I just like to use the water. And I will take this nice and damp and then just wipe my face with it at the end of each day. Look at that, all my makeup, it comes off so effortlessly, so easily. You have two different textures on each side. As you can see, this side is kind of like the little quilted raised, and then this one here is nice, soft, and smooth. So I like to use this side first just to kind of get right in there and get all of that makeup off, and then I'll just finish it on the other side. And usually I tend to make a big of a mess in here, so when I'm done, I always like to just kind of take it, wipe it around here, and then throw this in the garbage. And my face feels so fresh.